Welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC, IIT and NEET aspirants. In today's video, we'll explore effective strategies for managing exam anxiety and stress, ensuring you perform at your best during the crucial moments. We shall master problem-solving powerhouse, master techniques for UPSC, IIT, NEET success and points about dealing with exam anxiety and stress. Exam anxiety and stress are common challenges faced by many students. However, by implementing specific techniques, you can learn to manage these emotions and maintain a calm and focused mindset. Let's dive into valuable tips to help you overcome exam anxiety and perform your best. Student can practice relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation. First, let's understand the impact of exam anxiety and stress. Performance impairment. Excessive anxiety and stress can hinder your performance by affecting your concentration, memory recall, and decision-making abilities. It's crucial to find strategies to mitigate these effects. Confidence and focus. Managing exam anxiety and stress helps boost your confidence and maintain focus during exams. It allows you to approach questions with a clear mind and make rational choices. Students get to implement stress management techniques, such as exercise or engaging in hobbies. Now, let's explore some effective strategies for dealing with exam anxiety and stress. Preparation is key. Thorough exam preparation significantly reduces anxiety. Develop a study plan, break down the syllabus into manageable chunks, and allocate sufficient time for revision. This preparation gives you a sense of control and confidence. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation. These techniques calm your mind and body, reducing anxiety and promoting mental clarity. Student implementing time management strategies, such as setting study breaks and avoiding cramming. To manage exam anxiety and stress effectively, consider these additional techniques. Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your capabilities and past achievements. Positive self-talk helps in building confidence and reducing anxiety. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle during exam preparation. Eat nutritious meals, get enough sleep, and engage in regular physical activity. These factors contribute to overall well-being and help manage stress. Students get to seek support from family, friends, or mentors. Additionally, seek support from your support system. Seek emotional support. Talk to your family, friends, or mentors about your exam anxiety. Sharing your concerns can provide emotional support and perspective. They can offer encouragement and help you manage stress effectively. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your routine. Stay present in the moment, focus on your breath, and let go of negative thoughts. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded and reduces anxiety. Student appears confident and composed, implementing stress management techniques. Narrator. By implementing these strategies to manage exam anxiety and stress, you'll create an environment conducive to your success. Remember, it's not just about what you know but also how you handle your emotions during the exams. If you have any questions about managing exam anxiety or need guidance on how to cope with stress effectively, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss effective techniques for developing speed and accuracy, giving you an edge in your exams.